My name is Adam Jackson. I'm the president and CEO, co-owner of Jimmy Jam Sweet Potato Bakery and Cafe. It's the only sweet potato pie bakery in the world. Also the host and producer of the only TV show called Sink or Swim. It's a TV show based on saving minority businesses. If I could say something to entrepreneurs currently, your net worth is your network. You need to get out and network on your business. Utilize your resources and do not be blindsided by what the economy is saying. Do not be affected by the things that are being said. Your net worth is your network, but also everybody want to own a business, but don't nobody really want to be a business owner. So I'm telling you, you have to work in your business. And let me explain something. Procrastination is the assassination of the motivation that will stop you from reaching your destination. So implementation avoids procrastination. So if you procrastinate, you will kill all of your motivation, and at that point, you have no destination. And it's as if you had never started a business at all. This is Adam Jackson with that thought.